8 great salad recipes. These best salad recipes make eating colorful, fresh foods easy and delicious. The days of boring salad ideas are over. 1. Cranberry spinach salad. This spinach salad is different and so easy to make. Everyone I have made this for raves about it. Ingredients. A. 1 tablespoon butter. B. 3/4 cup almonds, blanched and slivered. C. 1 pound spinach, rinsed and torn into bite-sized pieces. D. 1 cup dried cranberries. Dressing. 1/2 cup vegetable oil. 1/2 cup white sugar. 1/4 cup cider vinegar. 1/4 cup white wine vinegar. 2 tablespoons toasted sesame seeds. 1 tablespoon poppy seeds. 2 teaspoons minced onion. 1/4 teaspoon paprika. Directions. A. Melt butter in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Cook and stir almonds in butter until lightly toasted. Remove from heat and let cool. B. Make dressing. Whisk together oil, sugar, cider vinegar, white wine vinegar, sesame seeds, poppy seeds, minced onion, and paprika in a medium bowl. C. Combine spinach with toasted almonds and cranberries in a large serving bowl. Pour dressing over spinach mixture. Toss well. 2. Bodacious broccoli salad. This broccoli salad with bacon and cheese is requested at every family gathering. Let it be your next dish that they crave. I like this dish to be prepared at least 2 hours before serving. Be sure to have copies of the recipe on hand, as everyone will ask for it. Ingredients. 8 slices bacon. 2 heads fresh broccoli chopped. 1½ cups sharp cheddar cheese, shredded. 1/2 large red onion, chopped. 1/2 cup mayonnaise. 1/4 cup red wine vinegar. 1/4 cup white sugar. 2 teaspoons ground black pepper. 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon fresh lemon juice. Directions. 1. Place bacon in a large, deep skillet. Cook over medium-high heat until crisp and evenly browned, 8 to 10 minutes. Transfer to a paper towel-lined plate and crumble when cool enough to handle. 2. Combine bacon, broccoli, cheese, and onion in a large bowl. 3. Whisk mayonnaise, red wine vinegar, sugar, pepper, salt, and lemon juice together in a small bowl. Pour over salad and toss to combine. Cover and refrigerate until ready to serve. 3. Hot German potato salad. This hot German potato salad with bacon and onions is a delicious variation of traditional potato salad. Ingredients. 9 potatoes, peeled. 6 slices bacon. 3/4 cup chopped onions. 2 tablespoons all-purpose flour. 2 tablespoons white sugar. 2 teaspoons salt. 1/2 teaspoon celery seed. 1/4 teaspoon ground black pepper. 3/4 cup water. 1/4 cup distilled white vinegar. Directions. A. Place potatoes in a large pot and cover with salted water. Bring to a boil. Reduce heat to medium-low and simmer until tender, about 20 minutes. Drain, cool, and slice thin. B. Place bacon in a large, deep skillet. Cook over medium-high heat until evenly brown. Drain, crumble, and set aside, reserving drippings. C. Sauté onions in bacon drippings over medium heat until they are golden brown. D. Whisk flour, sugar, salt, celery seed, and pepper together in a small bowl. Stir into onions and cook until bubbling, then remove from heat. Stir in water and vinegar. Bring to a boil over medium heat, stirring constantly, and simmer for 1 minute. Gently stir bacon and sliced potatoes into the onion mixture until potatoes are heated through. 4. Simpe green salad. This green salad recipe is simple, but it's still packed with delicious textures and flavors. It's a perfect side dish. You can serve it with almost anything. Ingredients. 2 small heads of soft lettuce, butter lettuce or similar. Lemon vinaigrette, half recipe. 1 Persian cucumber, thinly sliced. A 1/4 cup shaved Parmesan cheese. 2 tablespoons pepitas. 1 avocado, thinly sliced. A 1/4 cup microgreens. Flaky sea salt, optional. Roasted tamari almonds. Half a cup raw almonds. 1/2 tablespoon tamari. Instructions. A. Roast the almonds. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Place the almonds on the sheet and toss with tamari. Bake for 10 to 14 minutes or until browned. Remove from the oven and let cool for 5 minutes. B. Assemble the salad. In a large bowl, toss the lettuce with a few spoonfuls of the dressing. Add the cucumber, Parmesan, pepitas, avocado, and tamari almonds. Drizzle with more dressing and top with microgreens. Season to taste with flaky sea salt if desired. 5. Strawberry burrata salad. Creamy burrata is the centerpiece of this salad of strawberries marinated in a honey and balsamic vinaigrette and served over arugula and basil leaves. Toasted pine nuts add a little nutty crunch. Serve the salad as a main course for lunch or as a starter for dinner. Slices of crostini are perfect for scooping up the rich burrata and tangy berries. Ingredients: 1/3 cup extra virgin olive oil, 1/3 cup balsamic vinegar, 1 tablespoon honey, 1 pound strawberries trimmed and halved, a 1/4 cup pine nuts, 5 ounces baby arugula, a 1/4 cup small basil leaves, 1 8-ounce ball burrata, room temperature, kosher salt and cracked black pepper. Crostini for serving. Instructions. A. Preheat oven to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Whisk together olive oil, balsamic vinegar, and honey in a medium bowl until emulsified. Add strawberries to bowl, toss to coat with dressing, and let marinate 15 minutes. B. Meanwhile, spread pine nuts on a rimmed baking sheet and toast in oven until lightly browned, about 15 minutes, shaking pan occasionally so nuts toast evenly. Let nuts cool before using. C. Toss arugula and basil together and strew across a platter. Place burrata in center and gently break open at top to expose cream and mozzarella inside. Spoon macerated strawberries and dressing over arugula. Scatter pine nuts on top, season with salt and pepper, and serve with crostini. 6. Chopped power salad with chicken. Enjoy this filling and colorful salad for lunch or dinner. The dressing gets made in the same bowl that the salad is tossed in, so the greens absorb every bit of flavor. Ingredients: a 1/4 cup extra virgin olive oil, 3 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 clove garlic, grated, 1/2 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon ground pepper. For cups torn green leaf lettuce. For cups baby spinach. 2 cups shredded cooked chicken. 1 cup halved grape tomatoes. 1 cup halved and sliced cucumber. 1/2 cup slivered red onion. A 1/4 cup sliced pepperoncini. A 1/4 cup crumbled feta cheese. 2 tablespoons toasted unsalted sunflower seeds. Directions: whisk oil, lemon juice, garlic, oregano, sugar, salt, and pepper together in a large bowl. Add lettuce, spinach, chicken, tomatoes, cucumber, onion, and pepperoncini. Toss to coat. Serve sprinkled with feta and sunflower seeds. 7. Italian pasta salad. Italian pasta salad is an essential summer dish that is delicious, wholesome, and easy to make. Made with pasta, vibrant vegetables, salami, mozzarella balls, olives, and fresh herbs, this pasta salad is nutritious, flavorful, and provides the energy you need to get through the day. Ingredients: 1/2 pound pasta, uncooked. 3 ounces salami, about 80 grams. 1½ cup grape tomatoes, 1 pint, halved. 1/2 green bell pepper, chopped. 1/2 red bell pepper, chopped. 1/4 cup red onion, chopped. 1/2 cup Kalamata black olives, halved. 4 ounces bocconcini mozzarella balls, halved. 1½ tablespoons fresh parsley, finely chopped. 1/2 cup Italian dressing, homemade or store-bought. Parmesan cheese, grated, optional, for serving. Directions. A. Bring a medium pot of salted water to a boil. Add pasta and cook until al dente, about 8 to 10 minutes or according to package instructions. Drain and rinse pasta under cold water to stop the cooking process and to cool the pasta down. B. Transfer the pasta to a large mixing bowl or serving bowl. If not assembling the salad immediately, add some olive oil and toss together to prevent the pasta from sticking together. Otherwise, add remaining ingredients. Pour Italian salad dressing on top and toss to combine. C. You can serve immediately with Parmesan on top, or cover the bowl tightly with plastic cling wrap and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. This will allow all the flavors to infuse into each other. When ready to serve, give the salad a good toss and add a little more dressing if desired. 8. Classic macaroni salad. This macaroni salad always gets lots of compliments. It's an easy recipe to make and has a pleasing taste that everyone seems to love. Ingredients. 4 cups uncooked elbow macaroni. 1 cup mayonnaise. 2/3 cup white sugar. 1/4 cup distilled white vinegar. 2½ tablespoons prepared yellow mustard. 1½ teaspoon salt. 1/2 teaspoon ground black pepper. 2 stalks celery chopped. 1 large onion chopped. 1 green bell pepper seeded and chopped. 1/4 cup grated carrot, optional. 2 tablespoons chopped pimento peppers, optional. Directions. 1. Gather all ingredients. 2. Bring a large pot of lightly salted water to a boil. Cook elbow macaroni in the boiling water, stirring occasionally, until tender yet firm to the bite, about 8 minutes. Rinse under cold water and drain. 3. Mix mayonnaise, sugar, vinegar, mustard, salt, pepper, and macaroni together in a large bowl. 4. Stir in celery, onion, green pepper, carrot, and pimentos. 5. Refrigerate salad for at least 4 hours before serving, but preferably overnight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.